Hello dear friends. On this video I want to show you 3 funny of Linux commands. The first one is Oniko. Oniko is a funny rabbit which will follow your mouse pointer to anywhere. You can stop this rabbit by pressing Ctrl+C. You can install Oniko by command sudo apt-get install Oniko. The second one is rig. Rig is a command which create random identity. You can use this information for your story characters. Also, you can easily install rig by command sudo apt-get install rig. The third one is Cacophire. This command will make an animated fire on your terminal. And the use of this command is for fun. You can stop this command by pressing Ctrl+C. You can install this by command sudo apt-get install cacoutils. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video if it was funny and subscribe the channel for more videos.